Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Arman. In this video we are going to learn how to customize SolidWorks interface. In last video we have introduced interface in detail. If you didn't see that, check it out now and come back here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for supporting. Okay, there are three ways that we can go to customize section. The easiest way is right-clicking on the command manager and click on customize. The second way is expanding option and click on customize. And the last way is from toolbar menu, tools, at the bottom, select Customize. When you open Customize, all of SolidWorks tabs will be shown at the bottom of Command Manager. That you can click on them. The ones that are not added are purple. You can right click on any tab and select Show tab for adding to tabs. There are 7 tabs here and we will check them one by one. As you can see, you can select option of Enable Command Manager or commands without text from here. We could do this from here as we shown in the last video. At this section, you can see all the toolbars that you are using, or you can add or remove toolbars from interface. Here you can change command icon size based on your style. Tooltips. What is tooltips, guys? If you hover your mouse on any command in Command Manager, a brief comment about the command will appear. And for some commands, it's with motion graphic or image. You can remove or change the option from here. What about context toolbox? When you select items in the graphic area or feature manager design tree, context toolbars appear and provide access to frequently performed actions for that context. These 3 options are for assembly environment, and when you uncheck this one, context toolbox will be disappear from shortcut menu, as you could see. You can change the quick access tools position from here and lock the command manager by this one. If you want to reset all the changes you have done, click on reset to default. Customizable shortcut bars let you create your own set of non-context commands for each mode. In any mode, if you press S key, the shortcut bar will appear and you can customize it from this section. Choose your mode from here and add any command that you want by dragging to the shortcut bar, or remove them by dragging out. Command tab. In this section, we can search any command by name or toolbar and read the description about how the command works. I can add any command to any tab by dragging them to Command Manager or make them a group. Let's go to the Menus tab. Here you can customize menu toolbar. Here you can customize menu toolbar, search box and help icon and decide what to show. For example, I want to add extrude feature between fillet and chamfer. To do this, I go to the insert menu and find my current command, that is extrude. Then I will decide where to add, in features and after fillet. Now I click on add below, or even you can rename it. Now let's check it. As you see, it has been added after fillet. And for removing that, I go to the current location of command and click on remove. You can reset the changes from here. Keyboard tab. If you click on one of menus, you can see some shortcut key for some command. At customize, you can change or remove or add shortcut key for any command that you want. What is search shortcut? As you can see, we have a search box here. And if we change it to command search, we can search the one we added to the search shortcut. Let's try one. I will add 123 search shortcut for extrude command, and now I will search it. As you can see, extrude has been found. Let's go to the most important section of this video. What is mouse gesture? It's a useful shortcut that can be used by right dragging in graphic area. From customize, you can enable and change it. As you can see, like shortcut bars, we have 4 modes, and you change the number of gesture. This is my gestures, and I want to replace centerline with convert entities. First, I will search it and pick the centerline from sketch entities and drag on convert entities, just like that. This is a powerful tool for rapid design. And the last step is customization, where you can reset all changes of menu and shortcut customization. In this video, we showed you how to customize your user interface based on your style. In the next video, I will show you how to navigate SolidWorks. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Goodbye.